For this video, I'm going to take a look at the hiking trail on Haystack Mountain located in Castle Hill, Maine. It should probably come as no surprise that I vacation a lot in Maine. After all, the state's nickname is Vacation Land. And I seem to gravitate towards the colder climates as I get older. I'm not sure why. I guess I'm just a fan of the snow and snowboarding and skiing and those type of things. For this particular adventure, I'm up in Aroostook County, which is in northern Maine, and I'm completely blown away by the amazing picturesque scenery up here. Every single vantage point where you look to the left, look to the right, it looks like a postcard. Everything's just got these long mountain ranges. And as someone who grew up watching Smallville, it's like being transported into like Smallville, Kansas with Superman, and you get the big red barns, and they're harvesting potatoes up here, and you go out to the coast of Maine, and you got those picturesque lighthouses, and Maine, it just never ceases to amaze me. It's just such an amazing place to live, and who knows, maybe I can retire up here someday. So let's talk a little bit about Haystack Mountain. So this mountain is famous. It's renowned for the 360-degree views that you can see when you're all the way at the top of it. Now, I was pressed for time, so I didn't quite make it all the way to the top of this mountain, and I kind of got a little lost along the trail. The trail gets a little confusing when you're like getting close to the top. Now, one of the other things that I found out while I was talking to some of the locals is if you explore like walking around to the back of the mountain, apparently there's some sort of cave back there, and while I didn't lay eyes on it, I've heard that there's some bears and stuff that are up there, so just be careful if you want to explore that cave, because it's up there. It's apparently on the backside from the where you access the main trail. The next time I go to the mountain, I'll try to see if I can find the cave. So this hiking trail is about a half-mile long. According to the Maine Trail Finder app, they would qualify this as a moderate difficulty trail, which seems like a bit of an understatement because it gets really, really steep once you get towards the top of the mountain. You certainly have to be in pretty good athletic shape to climb this particular trail. I got pretty winded, and I have no trouble running a couple miles. So a lot of that, though, is the elevation. I'm not used to mountains, being born and raised in Florida, so I got a little winded going up the mountain, and I was also pressed for time, so I was trying to get up and get down as quickly as possible, so I definitely got quite the cardio workout. Pets are permitted on this particular hiking trail, so if you want to bring along your favorite pooch for the walk, you can, and I'm sure they would enjoy it a lot. Now, to access the hiking trail at Haystack Mountain, you'll find a little gravel parking lot located right off of State Route 163. Now, Haystack Mountain is located closest to Castle Hill and also Mapleton, but if you are living in Presque Isle or Ashland, you can easily access it too, because 163 will run in between those towns. Overall, I'd say that this is a great hiking trail for both novices and experts. The scenery is amazing, the air is really clean, there's a lot of great picnic benches around that you can sit down and take in the views. So if you're planning a vacation in Maine, then I highly recommend adding Haystack Mountain to your trip, especially if you like hiking. Well, that pretty much wraps up all my thoughts on Haystack Mountain. For the rest of this video, I'm just going to play a little music as I finish up the POV of walking up the hiking trail. Thanks for joining me on another vlog of the Adventure Schmuck. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe.